Hi everyone, I'm Alvise, and today I'll show you how to connect Novamira via OAuth with no password to copy and just a click in the browser. And it stays a direct connection between your AI and your WordPress, with nothing in between. As you can see in the Novamira configuration page, there are two authentication methods. The first one is the application password and OAuth. One quick note, this tutorial is for a site that's reachable online. If your WordPress runs locally on your machine, the configuration is a bit different, and I'll show you that at the end. And now let's start with Claude Desktop. First of all, open Settings and go to Connectors. Click Add Custom Connector and give it a name, and then paste the server URL below and save. You'll notice two optional fields for OAuth Client ID and Secret under Advanced Settings, but leave them both empty. When you save, the browser opens, asks you to sign in, and it's done. For Claude.ai, it's even simpler. Just click the Add the Connector to Claude.ai button on this page, and you'll be redirected to Claude.ai, where a confirmation window appears, and you click Add, and it's done. One thing to know, since the connector is added at your account level, you'll also find it in Claude Desktop, though it may take a little while to sync. Now Codex. Open your toml config file that you can find at these two different paths with any kind of text editor. Add the server block below, and if the file already has content, merge this instead of replacing the whole thing. After saving and restarting Codex, you'll find Novamira in the MCP list. Click Authenticate and you'll be redirected to the WordPress site. After clicking Authorize, Novamira will be connected to the client. Another option is copying the server URL, then going to Codex, go to Plugins, MCP, and then clicking Add Server. A new window will appear where you can select the Streamable HTTP option, and here you can add the name and then paste the URL. Finally, after saving, you'll just need to click on Authenticate like before, authorize the application WordPress, and it's done. Then we have ChatGPT. After copying the server URL, go to ChatGPT settings, security and login, and enable the developer mode option. Then go to plugins, browse plugins, and click on the plus icon to add a new plugin. A new window will appear where you can add the name and the server URL, tick the box, and finally create. Then sign in to be redirected to WordPress, and after clicking Authorize, you're done. Next one is Cursor. Click the Install in Cursor button on this page, and Cursor opens the Tools and MCP page automatically. And you already see Novamira listed under Home MCP servers. Click Install and then Connect. Then your browser opens your WordPress site and you click Authorize and Novamira is finally connected. And finally, Antigravity. After copying the snippet, open with any text editor the MCP config JSON file that you can find at these two different paths and paste the snippet. After saving the file, go to Antigravity settings and then Customization. Here you can find Install MCP servers. Refresh it and you'll automatically redirect it to WordPress. After clicking Authorize, you can go back to Antigravity and Novamira will be connected. And now local sites. If your WordPress runs on your own machine, the configuration is a little different, so let's go through the clients one by one. Claude.ai and ChatGPT aren't available for a local site since they need a site they can reach, but the others work fine. On the configuration page, pick your client and copy the ready-made snippet. For Claude Desktop, add the snippet to your Claude Desktop config JSON file. For Codex, add the server to your config toml like before. For Cursor, add the block to your MCP JSON file. And for Antigravity, add the snippet to your MCP config JSON. After saving the file and restarting the AI client, the browser opens and you can proceed to authorize the application exactly like before. And that's your clients connected, online and local. If you have questions, check the docs at novamira.ai or join our community on Facebook. Thank you for watching this video and see you next time.